Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by running quick diagnostics you can perform in minutes. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches and background errors. After restart, attempt Touch ID again to see if it responds. Inspect the home button surface for dirt, oils, or debris that can block the sensor. Clean the home button carefully with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol applied to the cloth. Make sure your finger is dry and fully covering the sensor before you try another scan. Next, check software factors that commonly disable Touch ID and fix them. Update iOS to the latest version in Settings General Software Update to ensure compatibility. If updates do not help, go to Settings Touch ID and Passcode and delete any problematic fingerprints. Reboot and re-add fingerprints slowly, moving the edge and center of your finger while enrolling. If Touch ID still fails, reset all settings as a targeted fix without erasing your data. When software steps fail, investigate possible hardware issues with the sensor or cable. Inspect the home button for visible damage, dents, or misalignment that can prevent reading. Back up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer before any repair or service appointment. Contact an Apple store or an authorized service provider to diagnose and replace the Touch ID sensor module if needed. Remember, third-party repairs can sometimes restore function, but may void warranty and affect secure enclave behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.